If you have a dream to go and be something and that involves going to university, don't let somebody on social media talk you out of it because they're promoting some magical business lifestyle. All over social media, I keep seeing these posts about pushing entrepreneurship and running your own business, and that doing a 9-to-5 is useless, and that going to university is a waste of your time. And they just couldn't be more wrong. Society does not exist without the people that make it function. If you want to go to university because you want to be a doctor, you want to be a nurse, you want to be a social worker, you want to change the world in your way, then go ahead and do it, and don't let anybody talk you out of it. The way the world is right now would not exist without doctors. Those same entrepreneurs and business people could not go to a hospital without the people that went to university to get there, to look after them, to provide them care. Everybody's teeth would fall out because they wouldn't be able to go to a dentist because they would not exist. Because nobody would have gone to university and everybody just would have started these businesses. And nobody would be able to buy any of these businesses' products or services because they don't need them. Most businesses solve problems for people in jobs. So I find it incredibly frustrating that these people get on social media and they harp on about it and tell people that they shouldn't follow their dreams. If your dream is to go to university, then go ahead and do it. Going to university is more than just learning about content about something. University is not school. They are not remotely the same. University teaches you about yourself. It teaches you how to critically think. It teaches you how to search for information, and more importantly, to be able to differentiate it from fact and fiction. Yes, misinformation. Going to university will teach you how to find information that you're interested in and then be able to validate it for yourself, to be able to look at it and critically analyze it and go, this is BS, or hey, this is actually real, this has a point, this is important to me. So that's my message to you today. This is my rant. University is not for everybody, but if it's what you want, then go and do it.